Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. I would like for you to know that there's a chip right on the front, right here. Also another chip under the driver headlight right there. Very small. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, the hood looks pretty good. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on it. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender does have some scratches. There's one right here. Another one right here. And one right there. But the wheel is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has not a scratch or chip nowhere. And the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's take a look at the back of the SUV. Okay, the trunk is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches back here. The back bumper looks perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look fine. I'm not seeing any dents on them or no scratches. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, everything looks perfect so far. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, everything looks perfect. The door panel looks good. The seat is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the back seat. Okay, so the passenger side is in perfect condition as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here is in excellent condition. The radio, the shifter, I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.